How many minutes do you think you'll be able to last?
Well, if they're in more than 10 minutes, I think we should pull them out.
Really? Why?
Yeah.
Hypothermia?
Yeah.
Good.
Oh, that's frozen at the back wall.
Yeah.
Oh, look how dark you're going.
Fuck yeah. I'm going fucking purple! Oh, I think I'm passing out. Fuck, my head's going funny.
How long have you been out then?
Fuck me, he's made the inside of the watch steam up. We've been here 3 minutes.
Fuck you, now that's...
My 5 minutes.
gone fucking down.
5 minutes. 5 minutes gone, 5 minutes.
Oh, this is fucking proper cold, isn't it? Fucking hell! Hey guys, it's fucking freezing!
I think I'm getting hypothermic because I've told him not to feel that cold.
My legs are gone. Fucking my legs are gone. Just look at his legs.
Eyes. Look, it's fucking purple.
Put your hands out, put your hands out.
Oh, my organs are failing.
Shut
Oh
up.
my God, my organs are failing. They're packing up. Hey, you won. You won. Let me out!
I'm not going fucking nowhere!
I'm freezing. What's 2 plus 2?
You don't know that anyway.
You ain't shaking.
Couldn't stay an hour and a quarter in here.
You'd be fucked.
Do you think he should be seriously cold by now?
I think he's dangerously cold.
Should we get him
Life-threateningly cold.
15 minutes?
like, well, yeah, minus 30 almost, you know.
I really think whatever he says, he should be coming out. Give him 16 minutes and he's double.
Rich!
It'd be funny if I put water all over me and make it all freeze up. Make it all cracked.
We just got told by some health and safety officer your body keeps getting colder as you come out. I think you're gonna die.
Sorry,
Look at that!
That's fucking freezing. It's like a really intense dry heat. Yeah, I want to stay longer, but you wouldn't let me.
You do it till you died. So I thought I'm getting out, there's no point. Both of us dying.
Just over 15 minutes and minus 24. Yeah! Bring it on.
Yeah! Bring it on!
Oh, yeah!
But say it again. How long do you last?
Just over 15 minutes.
Oh, then you're going to say that's about twice as long as you. Yeah, so, how long do you last again?
15 minutes, just over 15 minutes.
His mind is gone.
If I say I'll say how long do you last? Yeah, you say 50 minutes, you go, that's twice as long as you. So, how long did you last?
Twice as long as you.
I waited you up,
Two breaks,
Yeah, I know what you mean.
How long do you last again, Pritch?
15 minutes, well, twice as long as you, I think.
That's because you're twice as fucking stupid.
You got there in the end.